Hey everybody, having an unboxing today of the Huawei Matebook X Pro. So if you follow my channel, you will remember that I actually covered this laptop right when it was announced because I was invited to the pre-briefing, which is when they let journalists test out the device before launch. And that was like 3 months ago. So I'm really late to this. Since then, everyone else has already reviewed this laptop and it's getting really good reviews. I think The Verge called this the best laptop possible right now, the best laptop available right now. So I'm excited to try this out. Unfortunately for me, this is the China version. So that means the Windows inside is only in Chinese. So I'm gonna have to find a way to switch over to English because even though I can read Chinese, I prefer to read English. So the laptop, I already did a hands-on on this 3 months ago, so it's not new to me, but I'm still excited to try this out to actually make it like my full daily work machine because last time when I tested out, I only had about an hour and a half of it. I just remember it being almost bezel-less and a really awesome build quality and just very thin. So this is the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And one of the good things about this is I believe the charging brick is very small. Like for a laptop anyway. Yeah, so this is it. So just with this, you can charge a laptop. So for a laptop charging brick, it's relatively small. Something my Dell XPS 13, it's like triple the size. So this is the US China plug, which I can't use in Hong Kong without an adapter, unfortunately. So that is it. Bare bones packaging. The box is very similar to the Matebook, I think X that I tried last year. So let's open this up. So this is a very thin laptop. Let me grab some comparison devices. Okay, so I have here a 13-inch MacBook Air. So you see the Matebook X Pro actually extends out a bit more. That's because the display ratio on this is 3:2 instead of the 16:9 aspect ratio. So it's a little bit taller and not as wide, which I like for laptops. So sorry, I'm in a tank top because it's hot as hell in Hong Kong right now. I remember really liking the keyboard. It feels very sturdy and it's better than the keyboard on the MacBook, Apple's MacBook right now because that's the butterfly mechanism. So it's very not a lot of travel. So there's good travel on this. Trackpad is big, and then you have a one-touch power button that I believe you press on once. Once you register your fingerprint, it will register your fingerprint right when you press it. So when you press it on once, it will power up and go all the way into the desktop. So right now there's no fingerprint set up, so I have to unlock it with a password. But once I set up the fingerprint, I won't need to do this. It will just immediately jump straight in. So yeah, this is a very good-looking laptop. When you put it next to my MacBook Air, it completely makes the MacBook Air look dated with those giant ass bezels. So the whole thing's very thin, and also there's a, you notice that because it's bezel-less, so there is no front-facing camera into the bezel. Instead, the front-facing camera is here. It pops up like that. So looking at the specs, I have a top-tier variant here, 16 gigs of RAM with an Intel Core i7 8550U CPU. So this is a very powerful device. The screen resolution is 3000 by 2000. Hey guys, so I'm trying to install English pack right now. I had to go buy a Windows OEM product key just to install the English language because Chinese laptop comes with a version of Windows that's single language pack, so they don't even let you change to another language. It's really annoying. That's only a China thing because even if you buy a laptop in Hong Kong, you can change to English immediately out of the box. Whereas here, I had to drop an extra $14 US to install it. So I'm not sure right now if it's work. I hope it's working. Instead, I hope I didn't just get jacked like 17 or 14 bucks. So China uses simplified Chinese, which is a little bit difficult for me to read. Like I can read traditional Chinese a lot better. Simplified Chinese really throws me off. So right now, I downloaded the language pack. I already paid the 14 bucks for the Windows OEM key, and I upgraded it to the Windows, and I still don't quite know how to change it to proper English. It's really annoying. Okay, so I might have finally done it. It's so complicated. I have to jump into settings, and under language, even though I added English, it still didn't switch. So now I have to jump into more menus, and I think I have to do the system-wide administration, change to English. And I'm gonna have to restart. So here goes nothing, man. I paid 14 bucks for this. I hope when it restarts, it's in English. So you have to change the region because the laptop comes out regions in China. Languages is only in Chinese. I had to switch the region to English and then download the English language pack. And that's the thing. The original software that comes out of Chinese laptops, what the fuck? It doesn't seem like it works. So the fingerprint sensor already registered though is super fast. All you do is put your finger on it, it immediately logs in. It's still showing got freaking Chinese. Oh, actually, no, I think it's showing English now. Yes, it is indeed showing English now. So right now I'm gonna do a typing test. Go to typingtest.com just to see how good this keyboard is, because my average speed is 107 words per minute. So I'm gonna do a test right now, see what I score. Okay, so I scored 103 words per minute. I actually typed 106, but I made 3 mistakes, so the corrected number is 103. So this is pretty good. This is close to my peak. My peak is like 106, 107, and with a inferior keyboard, like when I type with an iPad Pro's keyboard, it drops a little bit. So I figured might as well, since I'm here, might as well do my usual K-pop test. Okay, so this is a bezeless display with a 3000 by 2000 resolution. So let's check the volume. We'll go up to, this is 50%. So you see the sound it's pretty full. So the speakers are on the left and right side, so you do get stereo sound. So we'll go up to 100%. Damn, that's a good speaker. So the sound is full. There's actual bass. You can hear a bit of bass. And yeah, this video looks pretty damn good too, right? Okay, anyway, that's it for now. I'm gonna take this out to the coffee shop, do some work, and I will be back with another video maybe a couple weeks later, like a more final impression. So thanks for watching.